Let's go!
Downtown Knoxville is the center, the beating heart, where everywhere you look, you see what makes this downtown unlike any other. It's where the world came to see the future, and where you can immerse yourself in our past. It's Italian, Japanese, and Mexican, but always Southern. It's blocks and blocks of arts, and friendly faces make you feel safe and welcome. It's classical and postmodern, speakeasies and rooftops, old haunts and modern twists, where dates become adventures and family outings become educations. It's a wide open urban playground and the very best place to catch up. Sweet as Dolly, rebellious as Hank, and as fiercely independent as both of them. Downtown Knoxville, always the best show in town.